In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a watermark like the one you see in TikTok here. Notice the watermark moved when the video changed. I have a previous video on how to make watermarks in LumaFusion, but in this video, I'm going to show you how to design a watermark and place it so that it can't be cropped out of the video. Most watermarks appear in the corner and can just be cropped out of any video, unless you strategically place them so they can't. Yours will be too. Start by adding the video clip that you want to use as your main video. Place that in the main track. To add a watermark, you're going to have to add an overlay title, but it's going to have to appear throughout the whole video. Grab the overlay title that you want to use, for example this one here, because it has a circle, then drop it on top of a duplicate of your video clip. This will place the overlay title over the entire length of the video. Next, double tap your overlay title and remove all the elements that you don't need. You want the watermark to be visible, but you don't want your watermark to interfere with what you're showing in your video. Make sure the title card is selected and then delete all of the elements except for the circle. Change the face color of the circle to make it easier to see because you want to play through your entire video and make sure that the watermark is placed correctly before you design it. To change the face color, tap face color for the circle shape and choose something like this yellow. Play through your video and make sure that the position of your watermark identified by the yellow circle will not interfere with any part of your video. I recommend doing this after you've got all of your other elements added. I have a subscribe logo in the video, and the yellow circle is positioned fine and does not interfere with that. However, you'll see that I have another additional graphic right there that I need to be aware of as well. To move the yellow circle after you've got it in place, just open up the clip editor and move the yellow circle anywhere you want to. Move the circle around until you've got it placed perfectly. You may need to move the watermark at different points in the video. It doesn't interfere with the subscribe graphic or anything else that I'm showing in this scene. Here we have a problem. I have an on-screen graphic and the watermark covers my face, so I need to move it. Open up the clip editor once more with this graphic on screen and make sure the title card is selected. Reposition the watermark so that it does not cover any other graphics you have on screen. You might need to do this a number of times. Once you think you've got your watermark placed properly, review your video one more time. Use the overlay title you already have to start the design. Open the clip editor by double tapping on your overlay title. Make sure the title card is selected and you can modify your watermark from here. Tap the plus sign up here on the title card to add some text. Position the text over top of the circle. For my personal watermark, I'm going to use my initials. Try to keep text on your watermark simple because remember that it is going to be smaller and transparent. A watermark is meant to identify your content so that it can't be taken and used by other people without your permission. Tap the font selector and choose the font you want to use. Then when you've got a font you're happy with, you can double tap the text once more to bring up the keyboard and enter the text that you want. Position the text on the title card however you want. I'm going to stick my middle initial in the middle of this circle. Change the face color to green for your circle shape if you want to chroma key it. The watermark looks like this. To remove the green color, if that's what you want to do, just double tap on your clip one more time. Tap on the chroma key icon, the little key symbol, and choose the green screen key. When you do, the color will be removed and your watermark now looks like this. There's another way to remove the face color of any shape. Instead of using the chroma key option, you can turn the face color opacity down to 0 and make sure the edge color opacity is turned up to 100%. And then you can see it. But the face color will be removed. I'm going to make this Edge color red since there's a red color on my channel banner. You can customize your color any way you like, using either the grid, the spectrum, or the sliders. When you've got a color you're happy with, take a look at the watermark in the main timeline. You can save it as a preset. To do that, double tap your overlay title to open the clip editor and make sure the title card is selected. Close all the properties, then tap on the star. Let's add your watermark to a video. All you need to do is make sure you duplicate the clip one more time, then tap on the plus sign and select overlay title. Double tap your overlay title, open the clip editor. Make sure the text properties are closed so that you can see your presets. Tap the preset that is your personal watermark. When you do, it will appear. Notice that the watermark appears with the opacity at 100%. Next, take your overlay title and replace it by putting it over top of your duplicated video clip. It now appears throughout your entire video in the second video track. To make adjustments to your design, go to the frame and fit section, close the properties for size and position, open the blending, and adjust the opacity to your liking. You want the watermark to be visible, you can move the watermark around using the frame and fit panel rather than the title screen because it moves the whole watermark. You want to position the watermark where you can see it, but it does not interfere with the rest of your video. Then play through your video and take a look. Make sure you're happy with the position. You might be asking yourself, can the watermark be removed? I had a fellow YouTuber, Doug Hewson, try to remove the watermark. He was unable to. You'll notice I placed the watermark quite high on the screen. Reduce the opacity of the watermark to between 30 and 50% to make it transparent. Use the opacity in the blending section. Watch this video recommended by YouTube. This playlist contains more tutorials just like this one. Don't forget to tap on the notification bell once you've subscribed so you're notified when I upload a new video. Join me next time.